Hi everyone. A voice command takes the user's hand away from the screen. That creates a small problem inside the interface. The user may know what they asked for, but the operation itself can become invisible. The screen changes, the assistant responds, and the user has to infer where the action happened. Li Auto's small hand is trying to solve that gap. It gives the assistant a visible body inside the UI. The hand appears as the system acts, so the user can read the assistant as an operator, not just a voice response. The detail I care about here is not the character design. It is the way the interface makes execution visible. The assistant is no longer hidden behind the result. It has a place on the screen. On this page, the hand sits close to the area being handled by the assistant. That position matters. If the system changes the screen without showing the action path, the user gets a result but loses the process. The interface may be correct, yet the user still has to catch up. The small hand gives the screen change a visible source. The user can follow the operation through the hand's position, then connect the spoken request with the UI movement. I would read this as a supervision design detail. Voice reduces manual effort, but the user still watches the system. The hand gives the user something concrete to watch, so the assistant's action does not feel like a background jump. The hand also changes the role of the assistant. Without a visible operator, voice interaction often feels like a command sent into the system. The user says something, waits for the result, then checks whether the result is right. With this small hand, the assistant becomes part of the interface space. The user can see where the operation is happening while the result is forming. That makes the action easier to supervise. This is useful for AI cockpit design because the user is still responsible for understanding the system behavior. If AI takes over more interface operations, the screen has to show how those operations are being carried out. A small hand is not only a cute visual layer. In this case, it gives a voice interaction a visible operating choice. I'm Paxson. I share automotive UX and intelligent cockpit design analysis here. If you have any thoughts or examples you want me to discuss, leave a comment. And if this topic interests you, welcome to subscribe.